Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 11 for unsupported PCs. So if your PC is not installing the Windows 11 and required certain amount of RAM, hard drive or processor type, and you are trying to get access of Windows 11, please continue watching the video. I'm going to show you how to create a USB flash drive for unsupported PCs. So let's get started. First off, we go into Microsoft website and type in Windows 11 download and go into Windows 11 download for Microsoft website, and you click here Windows 11 disk ISO. So select Windows 11 multi edition ISO, click download, then choose your language, confirm, and then select 64-bit and you will start downloading. So once this download is complete, just open another page and type in rufus.ie and click enter, and download the latest version of Rufus. So I'm going to click here and you'll start downloading. So once this is complete, just close this page and go on to your files and then downloads. So it says Rufus here, click run as administrator, click yes. Once this page come up, just select your I have renamed the USB to Windows 11 D drive. So it's asking you to upload the ISO file. Click select and click onto the ISO file and press open. Now image option here, click on the arrow button and select extend Windows 11 installation, no TPM, no secure port. So you must have to select it to bypass this, and the partition scheme select MBR, and then you can change the volume label name. So I'm going to rename it Win 11. So leave this as it is and start. Click OK. So once the process is complete, just close the window, and now you can go into your files and see Windows 11 D drive and setup options here. So when you restart your computer and boot from USB drive, you will be able to install the Windows 11 in an unsupported PC. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Thank you.